Magandang araw po ulit mga kachong-kachang. Ito po ang uling Tito G at another cooking vlog tayo ngayon. So today, we're gonna cook Tom Kha or Tom Kha. It's yung Thai soup na may coconut milk. So this is good, especially if you're under the weather, if you're feeling sick, medyo may feeling cold and all that. If you're tired of, let's say, yung ating typical lugaw or ating chicken soup, this is a good, kind of like a comfort soup food to cook, and it's very easy. Okay, let's start. Okay, ang ingredients po natin this time, I'm just gonna cook the seafood Tom Kha or Tom Kha Gai. I don't know which one, Tom Kha or Tom Kha Gai. The seafood one. So I have here siguro mga half to about 3/4 pound shrimp right there, and some mussels. Ako gusto ko yung tatanggalin na sa shell, so I'm gonna do that later. So I'm just gonna show you all the ingredients. Then maybe 2 cans of coconut milk. You know, wala na pala ang coconut milk, so I'm just gonna use coconut cream. I think coconut cream is good too because it makes it more creamy. If you don't have coconut cream, coconut milk is okay. Then maybe this is the tom yum paste. It's kind of like a curry paste. Mas masarap pag meron yan. So, but be very careful, or not careful. Be kind of like maybe use a small amount. Let's say a teaspoon first, because you might want, because this can be spicy. So gradually lagay nyo yan. Then depends on your tolerance spiciness. And then some onions. And of course, what we call that other type of ginger, gingal. But since wala tayo nun, I'm just gonna use a regular ginger. And of course, hindi Tom Kha yan pag walang lemongrass. Alright, let's start. Okay, let's start. So first, let's open the can of coconut milk. Bring it out. And the other one, good. Since this other one is flipped up, so she's good. It's a little bit creamier than the other one. Is good. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour this. By the way, I have a chicken stock here, so kind of like you can just add water to boil some water. If you don't have chicken stock. See, maybe this is about like a cup of chicken stock, just to add soup, because I like more soup on Tom Kha. Siyempre, para higupin. Masarap pumigop ng sabaw ng Tom Kha. So, you're just gonna pour all the coconut milk in. Okay, let's get the other one. So basically, ino na natin to para we're gonna bring this to boil while we chop the other ingredients. So with this, I'm gonna put a little bit of water because there's still like, diba sayang eh. There's still a little bit of coconut milk in there. Just a tad bit. Just kind of stir in. Just always do that. It has that creaminess still in there. Sayang. Okay. And pour it on the other one. Also, rinse the other cans as well. I don't know. I just like doing it. I hate things go to. I don't like. Stop throwing it away. Kung meron pa, sayang. See, can get thicker still. Andiyan pa sa mga gilid-gilid na wall ng cans yung mga creaminess and the good stuff. Creaminess ng coconut milk. So, alright. See, okay. Like that. Tapon natin yun. And wash our hands. And then we're gonna bring this to boil. Okay, cover it and bring it to boil. So now we're gonna peel the ginger. What I do, I don't really like peel them all. Just a little bit, just maybe like the dark skin on the ginger, but I don't really peel them that like thoroughly peel it. I just wash them and then just slice it. Thinly slice. Like so. Or you can have it strips too if you want. To me, I like it this way. And I like the ginger taste, so I'm gonna put more. Peel that, like I said. Next, remove. I don't really remove all the skin. I just remove like some of the black skin there, and I just wash them. That's good. A little bit more. I like the ginger taste, and it's good for your body. It's anti-inflammatory. So right there, that's good enough. And of course, I'm adding our lemongrass. So maybe a stalk or two is good enough. But if you remember, this is the one we harvested sa backyard natin. So tanggalin nyo lang yung outer skin to reveal the fresh lemongrass inside there. So that's good. Peel off the bottom part, yung parang pinaka bottom part sa roots. And then the top part here, I think that's good. And you're gonna use sure, maybe chop it like half, maybe it's about 2-3 inches long. And what you're gonna do is on the back of your knife, the dull one, the dull side, just do it like that, pound it to release the flavor of the lemongrass. So like so. Like so. Like so. Okay. That's good. And then we're gonna pour this. So while that coconut milk is about we're bringing that to boil, we're gonna put this in the pot. So it will release all the goodness and the flavor of the ginger and the lemongrass. See this? Lagyan natin yan dyan. Right, so. Okay. And like I said, bring that to boil. Okay. So, the other ingredients. So, ito palang ano, itong mussel, like I told you earlier. Ayoko, tinatanggal ko na siya sa shell. Kasi ang lalaki. So, masyadong lalaki. So, what I do is, I bought this pala. Siguro itong, this is about a pound or less than a pound of mussel. Lalaki. New Zealand mussel that I bought like in a box. 2-pound box. So, like that. Naalis ko na siya. I used the other shells to like take it off the shells. Kasi para pag hindi nyo pag ginamit nyo to, makukuha nyo pati yung tawag yung cartilage na connection. Makukuha nyo lahat. See? Wala. Pag tinanggal nyo lang na ganyan, may iiwan yung parang, alam nyo yung white part, the connection between the shells and the meat. So dude, use this. Like this. Like so. There you go. See? On the end part, kind of scrape it so you can get all the cartilage connection there. That's so good. I like that. See this part? Yeah, makukuha niya yan. And do the same thing on the rest of the home of the mussel. Okay. You can also use what? Talaba. What do you call them? Talaba clams and all that. But this is what I have right now. I want some kind of seafood tom Kha. So that's good. Alright, dump the shells. Now I have this, mix them up with the rest of the shrimp. Lalagyan natin siya mamaya. Rinse it. Lalagyan na natin siya mamaya. Okay. Just rinse it. The rest of the shrimp. Good. Okay, so now this has been simmering. Probably simmering, like bring it to boil and then put it on low heat and simmer it to release that, you know, the goodness, the taste and the flavor of the lemongrass and the ginger for about 15 minutes. Simmer it for about that, and then it's been simmering for about 15 minutes. You're gonna put again the tom yum paste. It's basically like a curry paste. So again, gradually, because sometimes different curry has different spiciness to it. So I tend to put like maybe like a teaspoon. Try it first. Okay. Gradually put it. Mix it in the soup. Okay. Bring it to boil. See, got that. Add that because I bought a radish curry paste. So bring that to boil and then taste it. Taste the soup. Kung okay na sa inyo, if that spiciness is okay to you, or you want more of that spiciness and that curry taste to it. Okay, I'm gonna add more probably in a bit. And then while you're doing that, put your patis, your fish sauce, probably about 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of patis. Okay. Again, that saltiness depends on your liking. To me, with this, with the 2 cans and 2 cans of coconut milk and about a cup of also the chicken broth, or if you're using water, you can add more fish sauce. Of course, because you need more saltiness. If you're using beef broth, or chicken broth, some chicken broth has that saltiness into it already. So I think 2 to 3 tablespoons of patis of fish sauce is good. You put too much, you can always adjust it. Maybe add a little bit of water, or if you still have like extra coconut milk, just add coconut milk. Can't go wrong with coconut milk. It's better to be like put less and you can adjust it than like you put too much and you're adding more water or coconut milk into it. So see that reddish curry paste kind of like mixing, blending on our coconut milk already. Yep. Up the curry paste, tom yum paste. Another teaspoon is good. I like that, a little bit of a curry. This one I got, it's not really spicy compared to other one that I bought before. This is what I got. Tom yum paste, pate de arroy di. This kind, it's not that spicy, so you can add more. It's just that tomato and curry paste to it, not that spicy. Yep. Okay. And let that simmer. You still want to put it on low heat, because that coconut milk tends, if you put it in like a little bit too high of a flame, that coconut milk tends to like overflow. So you don't want that to happen. So just put it on low heat and let it simmer, and let that goodness, that ginger and lemongrass flavor releases. All right. Okay, so now this has been simmering for maybe low simmering for a good 15 minutes. So make sure that all that flavor from the lemongrass and the ginger really got released already on the soup. So it's like kind of like changes color, almost like a pinkish color now because of our curry paste. So I think I'm good with that. Now we're gonna put our meat, which this one is seafood Tom Kha. I'm using shrimp and mussels. There you go. Okay. See, also our soup is getting somewhat thicker. All right, and let that cover it and let that simmer again for maybe a good 5 minutes and turn it up, and it's good to go. Okay, that's been simmering for about maybe 10 minutes or so. So, okay na to, luto na. Now, last part. By the way, kung meron kayo ng button mushrooms or any kind of mushroom for that reason, I think, what they call that mushroom, nabibili sa nasa lata rin sometimes. You can add that too. But to me, I just want the soup. The soup on the Tom Kha, or whatever, Tom Kha or Tom Kha. Yeah. So I'm good with this. Only thing I'm gonna add this on that is half a slice of lime. Add that nice soury taste to it. And then we're gonna turn it up. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Half a slice of lime. And just bring it a little bit on a boil, and this is good. Yeah, good. All right. This is good to go. Our seafood Tom Kha. Right there. Made out of mussels, green mussels, tahong, and some shrimps. Okay, and that's it. Another cooking vlog. Easy. This is easy. It's not that, it's not exactly, probably not exactly how the Thai really cook it traditionally, but believe me, this tastes good. All right, until here. See you next time.